Hey everyone, this is a new feature with Facebook. It's the ability to do automated responses to when people rate you good and when people don't rate you well. So the thing is that you go to your inbox and then you go down to the bottom, automated responses, and then you click on it, and then you have to click on it in order, like you can't just turn it on. You have to come here and edit. And what we're doing, and you can also personalize it. Like here, you can put in their first name, last name, person's full name, whatever. And so you can play around with it. We have something that we're doing that we want it to where if they leave a Facebook review and it's favorable, we want them to go to Google My Business page. So it helps. And then you can also do a video or an image. And what we're doing is we're saying, hey, thanks for leaving a great review. If you think we deserve it, please leave us a review on Google Business. And then we take a screenshot of the Google search. Like here, let me just show you an example. So this is one that we did just now. And like we show Mac painters, Google this phrase, you'll get this, Google My Business page and review us here. So that's just one thing you could do. I would not send them to Yelp because Yelp has really cracked down lately. But you can send them to Porch and Alignable or anywhere else you want. You want to try and just get one or two. But basically, that's the thing that I would say you want to attach. We'll do it for you for $25 if it's worth it. And there's some other things too. You can play around with this. If you want to do a not recommended, then what happens is that you want to make it to where, hey, what can we do? We have a policy that if you let us know, we'll come out and make it right or whatever. Let us know and then go from there. So you want to get both dialed in because if someone leaves you a not recommended, you definitely want to try to do it. And here's the thing: if you need a little help, like you need someone on the outside to like your quality assurance manager, and we do your setup for all this, then I'll put my name on it and I'll give them a contact number that they can reach out and gripe all they want, and I'll listen for as long as they want, and then try and turn it. Because that's the key. If we can get it to where someone on the outside listens, and then now first of all, I've been doing this for 24 years. I have a lot of experience in customer service, in turning things around, so I can definitely help you. But getting back to the point, you should do this right now for your stuff, and if you need help, we'll help you. Okay, thanks.